The Homeland Security of America issues a shoot emergency for Bonn, Germany, Orkney, Scotland, Cumberland, Maryland, Norfolk, Virginia, Rikes, New York, Campbell Hill, Ohio, Carson City, Nevada, Salt Lake City, Utah, and the whole country of South America at 5:15 a.m. 19 UFO ships were found at the Atlantic Ocean heading mostly for America but also Germany, Scotland, and South America to drop a laser people to fire their laser. 100,000 for each state or country. Stay indoors or wherever you are and hide in rooms with no windows or closets, with space or food cabinets. Lock all doors. Cover all windows. The UFOs are supposed to leave around 9:05 a.m. Turn out all appliances except radios. This is not a test. Message will repeat until 9 o'clock a.m.